Hi there, my name is Justin. I'm a passionate UK investor and I've been investing since 1999. I've invested through 4 bear markets. That's a dot-com bubble, the great financial crash, the COVID dash for cash crash, and the most recent bear market, which is no name for it, but it's been the most brutal. It's lasted by over 960 days and it's seen the AIM All share drop by 49%. It's been cut in half, and that's including the winners. Some companies have dropped by 70, 80, 90%. Some have even gone bust. This bear market has been so brutal, it's made me rethink everything I've been doing over the last 12, 13 years, because I took a big financial and emotional hit. It turns out I had an excellent strategy for a bull market. This is a reward strategy that worked in a low cost of capital environment. That's not the environment we're in now, and we're not going to be in that for a long time. This has meant my portfolio dropped in value by 45%. So over the last 18 months, I started studying the mistakes I'd made during this bear market and slowly starting to build a strategy, a system that would prevent me getting hit like this again. I also stopped taking on new members to my investment club about 10 months ago. Since then, I've been rebuilding and developing a system on the website, and it's close to being done. It's nearly there, and it's nearly reopened. Over this time that I've been studying, looking at the markets, looking at winners and losers, see what mistakes I made, I found that I and most private investors made 3 mistakes, and with a bit of discipline, they're relatively easy to correct. By applying these sort of lessons I learned from mistakes, not only would I find absolutely winning companies that outperform the market, and I did a video previously on that up there, but I would also avoid taking big hits, big losses. This bear market has taught me so many lessons, I decided to write a book. I've never written a book before. That's how much it affected me. And I've also built a system on my website to find potentially good winning stocks for private investors. The club is reopening very soon, but if you would like a free cheat sheet on these 3 mistakes private investors make, then go to sharepickers.com/subscribe and I'll send it to you, just a summary of the book, okay? These 3 mistakes can be summarized under the following titles. What to buy. Most private investors, myself included, didn't know what type of companies possess the best risk-reward profile. By that, I mean they're not aware, or I wasn't aware, of the type of business that offers me and them the best reward, the lowest risk. When to buy. Most private investors, myself included, did not pay enough attention to momentum in order to increase the probability of making a gain. Momentum is a very powerful force in both directions. Do not ignore it. Finally, how to buy. This is probably the most important lesson of all. Most private investors, I include myself in this, do not have, or did not have, I do now, a meaningful portfolio management strategy that will allow them to manage their risk and reward. Private investors, and I did during the bull market, tend to focus on reward too much and ignore the risk. Investing primarily is about risk management. Even if you apply this last lesson and get the other 2 wrong, it will save your portfolio. So if you'd like this free cheat sheet on the 3 mistakes you need to avoid, just go to sharepickers.com/subscribe and I'll send it to you, okay? If you do sign up for this cheat sheet, check your spam folder because my reply email may go in there if you haven't received it, okay? I hope it provides you with some value. Thank you very much.